This is a video on how to claim your delegated tCore, how to claim the reward from your delegated tCore. And the values of this reward is dependent on the number of tCore you delegated and as well the percentage. Okay, in my previous video I've shown you guys how to delegate tCore. If you've not watched the video, you can check my previous videos and understand how to delegate before watching this very video. Okay, so if you want to claim your reward, all right, if you want to claim your reward, the reward from your delegation, you come to this, you click on this horizontal lines, the three horizontal lines at the top left hand corner, then you come to browser. Okay, you allow it to load. Okay, now this is the delegation and validation page. All right, so what I'll need to do is I'll click on the top these three lines. Okay, when I click on it, I'll click on my staking. This is it. I'll click on this my staking. So this will show you your activity so far, the number of cores you've delegated, and also the rewards. Okay, now this is the reward I've gotten. This is the total number of core that I've delegated. Okay, now if I want to claim the reward, if I want to claim this reward, what I'll need to do is I'll simply click on this button, claim. Okay, I'll click on the claim button, that is this button. So you click on it. Okay, you wait for the confirmation. Okay, so this is it. I'll come here and click on confirm. I'll click on confirm. You allow it to load. As you can see, the transaction has been submitted. Okay, now I'll click on close this button. I'll click on it. Okay, transaction succeed, that is, the transaction has been successful. Okay, look at it below, transaction completed. All right, so I'll now click on close. You understand? I'll click on close. Okay, so that is how to do it. Okay, that is how to do it. So I'll now go back and check my wallet. Okay, you know, before I have 4.5 core, but currently it's now 4.67 core. So that is how to claim your reward, the reward you get from your delegation. That is how to claim it. Okay, so if you have any question, you drop your questions at the comment section. Okay, then in my next videos I'm going to respond to those questions. Thank you for being with me to the end of this video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that anytime I upload any video, you'll be notified. Click on the notification button, the notification bell. Do well to share. Thank you. See you in my next video.